Happy Christmas, everyone. It's Christmas Eve here, and I'm finally able to sit down at my crafting desk after a couple of months, I think it's been. I mean, I've done projects here and there. I've been working on a December daily, but that'll probably show you when I'm all finished with it. But right now I'm going to do a little project share with you. I got these card kits that you can make 6 cards, and it comes with everything you need pretty much. So on the back it says it contains 6 envelopes, 6 cards, acetate blister bubbles, which I didn't know what those were until I opened up. They look like that. 12 die cut stickers, 1 sheet of adhesive, 6 bow embellishments, 1 white snowflake confetti bag, and 1 white regular confetti bag. Confetti flakes in the bag. So it also was lovely. It came with the envelope, so I'm just gonna stick that back here if we don't need it. It didn't come with this. I decided to add these little snowflakes just to add a little more dimension. It came with these snowflakes, these ones, and then it's like shredded. It's not really flakes. It's just more like shredded glitter stuff. So I thought those would be good on the inside. And then it comes with directions. So there's no words really. It just tells you like fill the blister pack, stick it on, or maybe you apply it to the card and then stick the blister pack on. I think that's what you do. And then you stick the little outer sticker on, and then you add your other stickers and your bow, and you're done. So I wanted to make a few of these for some family. We're going to my husband's side tonight. His brother's hosting, which I'm really grateful for, because it's one of those things for me where, as much as I love that, I've been way too busy to be able to sit down and enjoy that. So I'm trying to figure out here. On here it shows, so the red goes with the plaid and the white goes with the tree. Okay, that goes with the tree. Alright, so I guess we're going to start with the confetti and the snowflakes. So we'll start with these. I'll put a few there. A few of these big ones right here. So yeah, so we're just going to get into it now, and I just want to share. It's similar to the paper pumpkin that I do with my friend. Hi, Shauna. If you're watching, I'm sure you are at some point. Anyway, and this is similar to the paper pumpkin, and it's just nice to know that you can get card kits, and you don't have to be in Stampin' Up or do Stampin' Up or know anyone. Although I love Stampin' Up, I like their kits, but this is just a good alternative. And Recollections is a really good brand. I really like Recollections. So, and then I have my little spoon, so I don't get I feel like that's the thing with glitter or anything like that. The less you have to handle it, the better it is for everyone. Oh, well, try not to make a mess in there. I think I did. But as long as I keep it in the circle, I think it should be good. So now that we got that all in there, I think that's enough. It's funny, I've been learning with the shaker cards that less can be more. Sometimes you can add way too little and then it's over, but yeah, we'll just take the back off. My little trash right here. So I'm gonna just line it up with this circle and pray I do okay. I think it's gonna be good. Yeah. Let's seal it so nothing comes out. Let's see. Oh, isn't that lovely? This is like the easiest shaker card I've ever done. I've done some, and I did them like way in the beginning when not everyone was doing them. So you had to make your own little adhesive wall to keep your stuff in, and you had to think creatively. I know I showed for my Halloween or my fall series, I really didn't get any farther than 3 cards, which is ridiculously sad, but I had a lot of stuff going on in my life that it just YouTube had to take a back seat. Anyway, so I know in my fall series, even though I did only 3, the last card I did was a shaker card that I showed you how to make out of just having a plastic bag. So this applies on here, and that looks really good. For the most part, it's a little crooked, but and then this one gets the piece. Right. So these are all die cut. You pop them out. They do come in little. I popped them out just to save time, but they do come in like a little sheet where they're all kind of together. I pop them out, and then you just peel the backer off if you can. You'd think with these lovely long nails I could do everything, but like that. And then you just stick it on there. Yeah, I think he's gonna stay. Looks cute. And then you have your bow. Now, if you're doing a bunch of cards that are the same, my recommendation is like do all of your glitter bubbles first, and then do your strips that go around, and then do your, kind of have an assembly line. But just to show you for time's sake and stuff, I'm just gonna build this one all the way. And it has a little jingle bell, a little bow. And I'm okay if it's just a little crooked because it looks like it's hanging. I think it turned out really cute. And you can still see that there's a tree back there, but not really well. These snowflakes are awful big, but super cute. I think it turned out great. And for a homemade card, it did very good. Alright, so I got one down. And then we'll do this again. I think I'm gonna add less of those big snowflakes. And I don't think I'm gonna add any of the glitter this time. Just a few. I'm just gonna do snowflakes in this one. Anyway, so it's been such a long time since I've done anything and chatted with you. I hope you guys are doing well. Our family is okay. We've had some health issues. There's some things that are a little hard to deal with, but overall, we're doing okay. So, and then yes, like I said, tonight it's Christmas Eve, and we're going to my husband's side of the family, and we're gonna go and spend Christmas over there. It's about an hour away, so it's not too bad. And I'm gonna have dinner, and there'll be presents and cocoa, and I think they're gonna do some hot toddy, which is it's fun. We don't really have that unless it's Christmas time, so it's just fun. They're also called Tom and Jerry. Like they do those. So I'm gonna do that. It's a little different. This is the first Christmas that we are celebrating without his granddad there. He died in, it was like, I want to say March or February. It's almost been a year, but it's closer to a year than it's not, I should say. So that's going to be interesting, and it'll be different just because we're just so used to always seeing them every Christmas. So yeah, I'm not nervous. It is what it is, and we've had time to deal with grieving and things. But I think always the first holiday or a kind of big event, every event that year, every holiday, it's the first, whatever, Easter or first 4th of July or Christmas, Thanksgiving, I think the first ones are always really hard to wrap your brain around, just because it takes that long, and sometimes longer, like depending on how close they were to you. And so we were lucky. Daniel's granddad really invested in him, and they had a good relationship. And so we don't have too many hard feelings. The closure is good, or was good. And yeah, so I might have time for one more card. We'll see if we can make all 3 designs in this little video. So yeah, I'll just stick the bow on. This one is really cute. What do you guys think? I love the plaid. I think plaid's a big thing as of late for lots of people, but I've liked it ever since the 90s when it was big. I think first big. Maybe it was bigger, you know. It's a pretty old print. Oh wait, I want to do the last design, so we'll do this one. Let's see. I have 2 minutes, guys. Let's see if I can fit it in. Anyway, so yeah, if you guys want to let me know how your year's been and what you're doing for Christmas, that'd be great. Like I said, I'm excited. It's mostly the kids. Like, I don't know. We don't really exchange gifts on his side at all. We just get together and have good food and chat away and all that. But the kids, they get pretty excited, and my kids are, I don't know, I think they're just extra grateful this year because we've had a lot with finances, and they are really understanding that money doesn't grow on trees, and yeah. Anyway, yeah, and then on Christmas Day, we will head to my brother's house. He is doing it's not traditional Christmas food. We're having soup and sandwiches, and we're gonna play games, and we're gonna fellowship again, and it should be really fun. So I'm looking forward to that, and it's just, I have that day off, and it's just lovely. I just really look forward to spending time with the family, and yeah, I don't know if it's gonna come off. There we go. Okay. And then Christmas Day night in the evening, we'll come back home, and the kids will open their presents from Santa, and we'll all be together, and it'll be a good time, I think. It should be, anyway. So, trying to be fast. I gotta beat the clock. Anyway, I highly recommend these. It's fun. This is something you could actually do with a group of people too. You could make some cards, bring a few kids to your family gatherings, and even though, yeah, it'll be past Christmas, you know, or I guess if they send them out right after, people still, I think that's okay to have them right after Christmas, but anyway, so yeah, alrighty, that was lovely, so good. So yeah, alright, well, I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and a Happy New Year. If I don't see you, I think I will see you. I'm going to try and maybe I'll do a what I got for Christmas, or might talk about the year in review or something. But look at that. Isn't it just, it's just such a neat idea. And there's joy with the bird and the plaid, and then this one I did add a little too much glitter, but it's okay. It's still really pretty. So, alright, happy Christmas. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, sorry. Alright, bye.